guys, Food Apple here. Today this is going to be a quick video where I will unbox and show you a close-up of my recent purchase from Modibodi, being the 24 hours Modibodi period underwear and also the vegan heavy overnight. So let's get started. The Modibodi parcel came is wrapped up in the black plastic bag. I'm a compost pack. Okay, ta-da! Cool. This is the bag. You can use it again for rubbish bag. So this is what the Modibodi period underwear comes in paper packaging. So I do have the vegan bikini underwear in the heavy overnight, and for the other three I bought the maxi 24 hours. Here is at the back of the packaging. Do not cut, that means you are supposed to open here, and then there's information about the material. So for the vegan, it is made of bamboo. As for the typical or other range, it is made from the bamboo, merino wool and microfibers. And also at the bottom here, there's an instruction how you can do the washing. So I have here the vegan bikini heavy overnight in the sun-kissed color. It is very cheerful, as you can see here. And this is from the back. And this is the front. Classic, the Modibodi band. And these are the padding. Now let's check out the classic bikini maxi 24 hours. So I bought two in black and one in beige. So here we are, front and the back. Now let's put these aside and we'll unbox another one in the beige color. So this is the heaviest range the Modibodi has to offer. In terms of the padding, it is a full stretch from end to end. Here's from the front and now here's from the back. For the gusset section, the normal typical range from Modibodi are made of merino wool, polyester and polyamide. But in their vegan range, the merino wool was substituted with polybrush and elastane. First impression, the vegan period underwear feels softer, and also you can see it here, the size for the 24 hours Modibodi period underwear seems bigger than the heavy overnight range. I will do a more detailed review in terms of the products in a different video. So if you want to know more about the review of this product, make sure you subscribe and appreciate it if you can give it a thumbs up for this video. And I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.